Ka MEECL lembaga senat ko ke MEPDCL ko wasam bordiñ de pembina ko de pengkrekan biang sajisen ya ko OTS namo ga one time settlement scheme yaw yarap ya ki manyung ki waduk wasu ya bai bordiñ ki ko dang sa klemsu Menteri rang ba kejela konrat sangma wa chimbenta ke yelang wa penyo ya ko diok mentoy na ni scheme de pentip wa kani de chna kerpangga de menta ke khen wanai ki waduk hewa de map 4% ya kuna kam ga late fees wa yu khain du ka bai bordiñ don he ya ke bai bordiñ ye usu chwa so pa percent wa ko sa ye usu kajak ti sen iwan rusen klem de khain kawan ka son kani ko OTS scheme man gol elementa gitu ki cha a bordiñ yu pen MK mi ko lor ko san kilowatt cepo DLT wa ki man le kam ki BPL ya kani ke scheme ye ule hado wakut uni ubnai march araja arhausan konda de pentik wa kuna wa de map de poi ga arhon ruklor de benta ki supausan hajar teli gi manyung waro ga paisa wadang sa klem su de man ga spa kha khande klor tang wa da yarap wan ko ye gitu ki wa pedem kam bordiñ wo stang tmegi klem de em ga yukit werim ko khia we kwa ole ye ni scheme ye ko lai cha gi yung krek kam ka MEPDCL de wa ye chem wa ki assistant executive engineer ye le wo phone ha hotline number 1971 wa 1912
Thank you very much for coming to this program. We are here in the premises of the MECL, and there are two important programs that we had today. The first was an OTS program, that is one-time settlement program for our smaller consumers. If you recall, we had come out with an OTS for larger consumers. We felt that there is a need to give this option to even the smallest consumer of ours and the common man, and to be able to help and support and give them an opportunity to clear the dues that are pending and unnecessarily creating financial burden on them. With that objective, we started the OTS program of 2025, especially for our BPL consumers. Through this program, we are writing off all the surcharges that are there. And apart from writing off the surcharges, the principal amount that is there, only 40% has to be paid as down payment, and the rest of the 60% can be paid in installments, which will again be interest free, so that there's no more interest and surcharges that pile up in the future. So this is a program that is going to affect almost 45,000 consumers in the state, and the consumers will get a support of close to about 26 crores of amount will be waived off for this 45,000 consumers, and the total dues that are there is about 119 crores. And as I said, that we urge our consumers to come forward and take advantage of this, so that we can clean the slate once and for all and start off fresh. And this is a great opportunity, as I said, for the consumers, as we'll be waiving off the late payment charges.